Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a whole bunch of tools here that every mechanic shop should have. So if you want to invest into some brake line tools, if you're doing a brake line repairs, this is something that you could get. It's really easy to do, not just every mechanic, but you can just get this. You could be a regular person at home and fix up some brake lines in your car. All you need is a little bit of a mechanical knowledge. But let's get this job started. So let's get this little video started here. And I said a job, but this is not a job. Anyways, I bought a kit. I'm gonna show you a box. It's gonna come with a whole bunch of adapters, and it comes with this pistol gun right here. Okay, there's a part number on this. I do have it on the side. I do have a video on that. I'm gonna show you the whole box at the end of the video. This is a hydraulic. Okay, it's very simple. You don't need to turn and twist anything. All right, and it comes with a whole bunch of adapters. Very simple and easy to flare, double or bubble the lines, and it's gonna get you through a lot of hassle easy, and it's gonna make your job and life easy. Anyways, let's move further. Here's a copper line we have here. Very good to have. You should get. This is the line I would be using from now on, but very simple. This is a tool you should also get. What this does is it cleans the line when you cut it. The inside right there, it makes it nice and good, and all that uneven surface inside, it becomes nice and rounded. All right, that's that. And then we have another tool here, brake line cutter right here. Very simple. It works like a ratchet, and there's an adjuster here. You put the line in, you squeeze the line, and there's blades inside that's gonna cut the line for you. Very simple. I suggest you should get one of this. I did not have this. I bought all this at the same time because I was struggling. Every time I use that tool, you turn to create the doubles and bubbles. Either it bends, twists, or there's a splice there. Brakes are very serious. You cannot mess up the job there. And then we have these this little tool here for the brake lines, and you can use it on the fuel line. How this works is, you know, every time you cut a line and then you want to adapt the line, and it's leaking, you can simply take this. Okay, that didn't work out good. Okay, that's not the size. Okay, this is for bigger lines, I believe so. Like fuel lines, you could do fuel lines with this as well. But I will figure out how to do this. I thought it would work, but it closes the fuel lines. Okay, a thicker line it will work on, but that's enough said. So we went through a few tools, and it comes. You could get these. This came in the kit free, and that's that. Then we have this bending tool. I want to show you the next two tools are great, okay? Let's say you have to bend the line and you want to bend it in a certain angle, and you take this tool and you bend the line in an angle. Oh, that angle is wrong. What are we gonna do? Cut the line off and throw it away? Or you're gonna turn it by hand? It's never gonna be perfect. But that's where this tool comes handy. So what you're gonna do is, this one's new, so it's hard to open the grip yet, but little by little, it will get better. Okay, let me hold the tool the other way around, so I got the curved end on this side. And we're gonna straighten out this line. It's like magic. I wasn't able to do all this before, so I got this little kit. It's new, so once that paint goes away, it should be nice and easy for me to work with this little guy. There you go. We have successfully straightened up the line. Let me just do this angle, and there you go. Perfect. It's nice and straight. All right, so you got the tool to bend, and you got a tool that straightens the lines out for you. So I would suggest you get all this and make your life a little bit easy. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna bring the box over and I'm gonna show you all the adapters for this little guy. And you do need to understand a little bit how to do the bubbles, and there's a flat side. You can do the flat surface one. But anyways, very simple. I'm gonna show you the whole box. Let me pick it up, it's down here. So inside this box right here, we have everything that you need. Whole bunch of adapters, okay? This goes into this, the block, and then you have the adapters to do double and bubble, and everything works out really easy, simple. They give you an extra grip for your pistol gun. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and we'll see you on the next one.